Struggling to connect your new laptop or device to an older DVI monitor? What if you could get a crystal clear display without juggling multiple adapters or messy cables? The USB-C to DVI cable offers exactly that, a simple, all-in-one solution that turns your USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 port into a direct link to your DVI monitor, eliminating clutter and confusion. I recently faced this challenge myself with a Dell XPS 15. I wasn't familiar with Thunderbolt 3 or USB-C video connections, and the thought of buying separate adapters was overwhelming. After trying a popular adapter that caused Wi-Fi interference, I switched to this USB-C to DVI cable. It worked flawlessly, delivering sharp images at 1920 by 1200 resolution without any setup headaches. The reversible USB-C connector made plugging in effortless, and the cable's plug-and-play design meant I was up and running in seconds. This cable isn't just convenient, it's designed to harness the full video capabilities of your USB-C port, supporting DisplayPort alternate mode for stunning picture quality. It's backward compatible with 1080p displays too, so it adapts to your setup seamlessly. If you're looking for a reliable way to connect your USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 device to a DVI monitor without fuss, this cable is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to simplify your workspace and enjoy crisp visuals with zero hassle.